My video guide is dedicated to help you remove the ransomware called AnonTsugumi. My video is only for educational purposes. I am not related to this ransomware and I am not promoting this ransomware. In the video, I will just show you the negative impact of this ransomware on the files. I got the sample of this ransomware on the VirusTotal database. Before the ransomware attack, you're able to open the files without troubles, of course, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and other data. But regretfully, because of some leaks and vulnerabilities, this AnonTsugumi ransomware may be pretty easily injected into the computer, and then very soon users realize that they can no longer access their data. The ransomware encrypts the files and damages them. It's then impossible to open the files, and the ransomware would then tell the victims that they ought to pay a special ransom for file restoration. Nevertheless, paying the ransom is not a good idea because this does not guarantee the file restoration. If you pay the ransom, you may just waste your money, so don't pay that ransom. To remove this ransomware, I recommend you to do the following. I recommend you to use a special program called Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Go to the page combocleaner.com through your Internet Explorer browser. So download the application, install it, and start researching the system. Click on Start Scan button. The software will be initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. And then the scanning will begin. And also I want to emphasize your attention on the fact that Combo Cleaner does not decrypt files. It helps to remove this ransomware, it helps to protect the data with its anti-ransomware feature, but it does not decrypt the files. Nevertheless, at the end of the scan, you will see the summary of the threats. You'll be able to know their exact locations. I recommend that you consider upgrading to Premium, and you can always request trial to fully evaluate the features of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. So, once again, Combo Cleaner does not decrypt files, and there is no any other antivirus, by the way, which would be able to decrypt the files. So wait until the scanning has been finalized. And speaking about file decryption, you can find a special link in the description to my video, which will give you more information on how to possibly protect your files.